Panchayat had issued them a stop work order, and town control planning also had issued a stop work order. That everybody knows. And we went on the site, and it is seen there's no whatever construction happened. What he is claiming is before. There are two pits, some pillars which has been cut, and he has assured us that he is abiding by the stop work order. That was our main concern. Stop work order should be adhered to. Okay, and that's what we have verified. And if required, we will come back again. If there's any accusation that construction work is being carried out, it will until the PIL has been disposed. We are main worried whether Panchayat is a respondent, they should abide by the stop work order. That is our main worry. Instead of the stop work order, they should not do the construction.
We have done the site inspection inside with the technical Mr. Carlos. So all the points have been noted, whatever is there. The measurements have been taken. Now we need to take the measurements of the access road and everything. There are a few points which were raised to the Rahejas, and there were some which were raised directly to the Panchayat, which we will sort out once we go to our office. We will sit, we'll go through all the files, and then we will get in touch with our legal advisor, and then get back to whatever we have, whatever further course of action has to be taken with the Rahejas.
So, तुमको भीतर कितनी illegal भी कितने मेरा काम करते हैं?
No, so far they have abided by our stop work order. There is no work going on right now. Whatever was done before the stop work order, that is all that is there.
TCP in 2015, 30th September 2015. Without going through the report, the last body has issued them the license when the code of conduct was in force. Now, construction license was issued when the code of conduct was in force. Secondly, without addressing our complaint, they have issued them the license. And this inspection is held now by the new body taking a resolution because they have not followed the procedure. Any Panchayat or anyone, once you get a revised plan, you are supposed to hold an inspection on the site to see whether things are followed or not followed, which the previous body had not done. And that is the reason why we have to be here today.
What they have done today has been done primarily, if you all are aware, there is a court order to this project. Court has given a directive on 14th of July, right? 14th of July, mentioning that you can carry out your work subject to the outcome of the petition. The Panchayat is aware about that. Even after that, they have given us a stop work order. It is, I don't know whether it is called a contempt or what, I do not know. But it is against the ruling of the court. Again, on 16th of August, there was another hearing held where the judge has very clearly mentioned that the conditions of 14th July have to be abided by, which again comes back to that work can be carried out subject to the outcome of the petition. Even after that, they have issued us a stop work notice. We, in all friendliness, we have agreed to that, and we've stopped our work since the day we received the notice. I think 8th or 9th, whenever we received. I don't remember the date though. But we've stopped our work. They've verified the site. They've seen what construction has happened, and it has been installed. All labor, machinery, everything has been moved. Though we are still allowed by the court to start work, continue with the work.